Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, students. Today I will teach you Islamic studies. Unit number 1. Allah is the creator. As we know, Allah created us. Allah created everything. He made everything in this world, even the world He has made. It is Allah who made everything. It is Allah who create human beings, animals, plants. He is the only one creator. He is the master and all the creations in this world. Creation of Allah. Allah has created the world. It is Allah who made the earth a resting place for us. It is Allah who made the trees for us. It is Allah who made the birds. It is Allah who made the fruits for us. It is Allah who made the water that we can drink. It is Allah who made the ocean. It is Allah who made the hills. It is Allah who made the sun, the moon, and the stars. Allah made the day, and as we can see the sun in the daytime, as we can see the moon in the night time. Allah made the moon to light us, that we can see in the night. Allah can change the day into night and night into the day. Allah made the water that we can drink. It comes from the sky on the earth and we can drink it after that. It is Allah who created us. It is Allah who created all those who lived before. He created us so that we may remain mindful of Him. Allah created everything out of nothing. He is all powerful. But how can we learn all about Allah? There is a sacred book which tells us everything about Allah. It is the most important book in the world. This book is the Holy Quran. We Muslims value it most as we can see it at our home and we read it to know what is Allah and who is Allah. Allah is the only one creator. He is the master. He can create everything. He created living things, non-living things, all the things that we have to follow. It is all in the Quran. Reciting the Holy Quran is a way to know Allah and He wants us to do. Reciting the Holy Quran makes us wise. Reciting the Holy Quran is a way of praying. Here are some of the wonderful things the Holy Quran tell us about Allah. It is Allah who created everything. Allah has raised the seven heavens. It is Allah who had made them stand without support. Allah has set up the moon as a light. Allah has set up the sun as a radiant lamp. It is Allah who sends down water on earth from the sky. All the things which are we are using, which are we can see on the sky, on the daytime, on the in the night, these all are the creations of Allah. And we have to be thankful to Allah that Allah has created all the things and Allah has given us senses. We can see, we can smell, we can taste. This just because of Allah. If Allah will not give it to us, we can not do it. So these are the blessings of Allah that we have to thankful every time, every second that that we have everything for us. The things we can eat, we can drink, we can taste everything according to our taste. Allah made all the things. Allah made the animals for their reasons. Allah made the human beings for their reasons. So the human beings should be praised to Allah. Even the birds also praise to Allah. The animals also praise to Allah. He is the creator. He is the only one. He is the master. He knows what to do. Allah is the creator. He can do anything. He can watch us anytime. He cannot sleep. He is the only one. No one is his. He is the only one. So I hope you understand what I told you in this lesson. Unlike the creators, we have some difficult words. First one is engineer, second cement, third powerful, fourth sacred, fifth important, sixth reciting, seventh wonderful, eighth raised, ninth support, and third one is last one is radiant. So these are the difficult words of this lesson. I hope you will learn it. Thank you, Jazakallah.